Why carry multiple tools when one does it all? Check out this 4-in-1 utility knife. Sharp box cutter, clean, effortless cuts through cardboard and rope every time. Built-in screwdriver, quick, convenient, always ready when you need it. One tool, multiple functions, zero hassle. Built-in storage slot keeps replacement blades ready when you need a new one. Need to pull nails? No problem. Pry them out in seconds. Your everyday lightweight, compact toolbox. Click to get yours.